Logistics is changing at the speed we have never seen before.
We want to build the leading warehouse automation company in the world.
You transform the company so quickly that your competitors are completely surprised.
You're the CEO of Stow, which is a leader in industry logistics solutions. What makes this such a compelling industry today?
Well, Lionel, logistics is in fact the key. Whenever you bought something online and it was delivered a couple of hours or a day later, then there is a whole set of equipment, logistic warehousing behind. So logistics today is in fact a backbone of our physical economy.
Juergen, why are warehouse logistics and automations part of Blackstone's thematic investments?
E-commerce has been accelerating since the pandemic, which requires more and more warehouses to be built. The new warehouse demand has outpaced significantly new warehouse uptake. The second thing is the shortage of labor has required more and more automation solutions. So investing behind and building a leading warehouse solutions platform, including automation, is something we have been set out to do.
Jos, tell us how the robotics division came to be.
We were growing, but we saw also some trends in the markets, more towards automation. Even our conventional customers of storage solutions wanted to start to automate their business. So if we wanted to grow the company, which was one of the ambitions of Blackstone, it was obvious to me that we had to do something in the material handling automation market. Now, that's easier said than done for being a conventional racking supplier. We started to develop completely new products which were not in the material handling market yet. We had to massively ramp up our R&D forces and our engineering forces to get there.
How did Blackstone help Jos and the team execute their vision?
So we helped Jos and the team to transform Stow from a traditional warehouse solutions business to one of the leading warehouse automation players, robotics companies. During COVID, we decided together to double down on the robotics division. And then in 2023, together with the team, we started a brand transformation to create what is today known as Movu Robotics to strengthen the business for the future.
Jos, how do you explain what Movu Robotics does today?
The mission is crystal clear. It is no warehouse left behind. As simple as that. We really want to automate every warehouse in the world. You have to know that today only 20% of the warehouses are automated, which means 80% to go.
We'll leave it there. Thank you both for being here today. I really look forward to what the future holds together.